Hey everyone, today I'm here to show you the palm leaf tubes. This is a brand new product that we're offering. I'm going to talk a little bit about the benefits of using this product, why consumers like it, and how you can customize this product for your brand. So today I'm showing off the 1 gram palm leaf tube. We can also do this in 2 grams, 3 grams, as well as custom sizes upon request. And in custom sizes, we can change the length as well as the diameter of the tube. So let me just talk about some of the product features. The standard palm leaf tube comes with a black band. It's rolled up. This is a cordia leaf. It uses no glue to seal this tube. It's actually just sealed with this black band holding it together and then dried so that it keeps its shape. And then lastly, it has a corn husk filter in here. That's a big feature that people look for in these palm leaf tubes. So why do people like the palm leaf tube? People like the palm leaf tube because it creates a cigar-style smoking experience. So the corn husk filter has a little bit more resistance and it cools down the smoke. So you get a little bit of a resistance on the pull. So when you drag in, you get a little feedback from the tube. And then also the cordia leaf itself is quite a slow burning leaf. So it has that slow burn associated with blunts. And then lastly, it gives that full, rich smoking experience that people look for in cigars. And then it also has just a very premium look. So when you sell this at the store, this is going to command a slightly higher price, maybe in that $12 to $15 range as opposed to that $7 to $10 range. Lastly, with this tube, you can customize this tube. You can customize this band, so instead of black, you could have a variety of colors. You can also do a total custom print, do some special type of printing options like gold foiling, embossing. So you can really customize this band however you want. You could do a special die cut shape. And so this is a really great option for those who may be already offering the palm leaf from a consumer brand and they want to get slightly better pricing and they want to start doing some customization on the band. That sort of is definitely where we could help you out. And yes, visit customconesusa.com for more information on this palm leaf tube and to learn about how we can customize it for your brand.
Hey, thanks for watching our new video. Check out the other videos on this page. Comment below with any questions and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our new products. We at Custom Cones USA are your pre-roll experts.